I woke up. It was dark. The room was pitch black. But there, at the bottom of my bed, I saw a figure.
It feels like there's been too much change. Sounds are different, shapes are blurred. I'm having trouble concentrating.
Have you noticed how when you ask someone if they're okay, they don't tell you?
I didn't tell her what happened next. I haven't told anyone.
If you hug someone for 20 seconds, your body creates endorphins.
Is that right?
We could try it. Science experiment.
They're too worried what you'll think of them, that you'll judge them because they're ashamed or whatever.
Go and see her, that's what you tell us to do.
I can't talk to her.
You're being a hypocrite.
That's my religion.
Is that meant to be funny?
I drive miles, just keep driving straight ahead. I get lost.
8 years ago, I stopped breathing. I haven't breathed since. I just pretend to.